Check out this Nissan 2015 Versa S Plus. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 4 speakers, AM/FM radio, AM/FM CD audio system, CD player, MP3 decoder, radio data system, air conditioning, rear window defroster and power steering. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.